Hello everyone, I hope you're doing good. Welcome back to Kai Academy. My name is Sevinch, and if you guys are new here, please subscribe. Before we start, let me tell you about myself a bit. I prepare these tutorials on digital world each day, and I try to focus on new content with each video. If you have any problems or questions, just write them in the comments below. I regularly check the comments and I'll answer them back, or maybe make a video to answer your question or solve your problem. If you have any mobile apps or websites for me to check, just share that in the comments below and I'll be glad to review. And my channel is growing now with your support, thanks for that. And for sponsorships, you could contact me via email you'll see below. And now let's get started. Today I'm going to talk about how to delete your Instagram account on an iPhone or temporarily disable it. And if you frequent social media sites like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, chances are you may have seen friends participating in social media cleanses where you delete an app for a few days or longer in order to cut down on screen time and often stress. But if it's now your turn to leave social media behind, options for deleting your profiles may not exist on the apps themselves. For example, Instagram accounts can only be deleted via a web browser. And here's how to delete your Instagram account on an iPhone through that process. So let's start with how to delete your Instagram account on an iPhone. At first, I'll show you from here. This is my profile, and I'll just go back, just look at the top of the screen and tap three lines icon here. I'll just tap that, and then you can see the pop-up here, and from there you need to choose settings. Tap settings, and then you can see the help icon. At the bottom of the screen you can just see the help button, help icon. Tap that, and then you can see help center here. Tap help center, and then we'll just go to the website. So from here, from the help center, you'll just tap managing your account. It's just in the middle of the screen. You can see after using Instagram, you can see managing your account. Tap this one, and from here you need to tap delete your account. I'll tap this one, and we are here now. There are some questions and answers for that. For example, how do I temporarily disable my Instagram account? How do I delete my Instagram account? So from here, choose how do I delete my Instagram account, and there is an explanation for that. So from here, just scroll down and just you can see go to the delete your account page. So tap that. I'll tap this one, and we are here now. So at first, from here you're just gonna how can I say, so you'll be prompted to answer why you're choosing to delete your Instagram account via drop down menu. So you need to choose the reason. For example, just it could be about privacy concerns, create a second account, concerned about my data, or too many ads. And there are so many options, and you can choose, for example, something else, and tap done. And then to continue, please re-enter your password. You need to enter your password, and then you can just tap permanently delete my account at the bottom. The last screen before your account is permanently deleted will ask you if you are sure. If so, tap OK. And this will permanently delete your account, meaning you can never access it again. If this sounds too extreme for you, you can also disable your account, which will hide it from public view until you decide to log back in. So, for that, how to temporarily disable your Instagram account on an iPhone. So I'll show you that. I'll go back to my profile and we are here again. Tap three lines icon and tap settings, and then from here tap help icon, again tap help center. We're going to the website and again managing your account, tap this one and then tap delete your account. And from here again, we saw that before. We just follow the steps on how do I delete my Instagram account. But right now, we just want to temporarily disable my Instagram account. So tap this one. And it just explains how you can temporarily disable your Instagram account. So for that, to temporarily disable your account, you need to log into Instagram.com. And then you need to tap or click your profile picture, select profile, edit profile, and then scroll down and temporarily disable my account. So let's follow these steps. Log into Instagram.com and then I'll just tap profile from here. And then from there I'll tap profile again, tap edit profile and scroll down to the screen and you'll just see on the bottom of the screen temporarily disable my account. So again, you'll be asked to provide the reason that you're disabling your account, and then to continue you need to re-enter your password and tap temporarily disable account, and then you'll be asked to confirm that you want to disable it again and tap yes. That's it, and then you just temporarily disabled your account just like that. It's very easy, right? And how to delete the Instagram app of your iOS device. So for that, I'll go back to the home screen. From here, press and hold the Instagram app icon on the home screen of your iOS device until all the apps begin to wiggle. And from there, tap the X in the top left corner of the Instagram app and tap delete. And it will be deleted. But remember that permanently deleting your account will erase your entire Instagram history, including all your photos. And if you want to save your Instagram data before deleting, here's how to do that. How to download your data on Instagram before deleting the app. At first, open the Instagram app. I'll go back to my home page. And from there, on your profile page, tap the three lines in the upper right hand corner of the screen. At the bottom, tap settings, the icon that looks like a gear. And in settings, find security. In the security menu, under data and history, from there, tap download data. And from here, just enter the email you wish to have your Instagram data sent to and tap request download. It can take up to 2 days for Instagram to send your photos, comments and profile information, and you should wait until you receive the data before deleting your account. Yeah, just like that. That's really easy, right? And I hope this video was helpful for you, and I'm ending the video now. Thanks for watching. The quickest way to support this channel is to click on the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up if you liked the video, or leave a comment below. And feel free to share with your friends or anyone you think would enjoy this content. I'll talk to you all very soon. Bye.